Hey guys, do you have the same problem that I have where you have a door that's maybe opening or closing on its own? Well, I've got an easy fix for you. If you talk to a carpenter, they're going to want you to take all this trim or this molding off your door, get some shims and a level and get things all straight. Well, I got something that's only going to take you a couple of minutes. And the only tools you're going to need is a hammer, a screwdriver, and a block of wood. It's as simple as that. So on the door hinges here, you just want to come to one of them and take the hinge pin out. So right at the top of your hinge here, you can see where the head of the pin is at right there. And so what you could do is take your flathead screwdriver and kind of work it in there and tap it in there with your hammer, or work it up this way. Sometimes it's going to slip off one of the edges. So what you can do is, if the end of your flathead screwdriver is skinny enough, it might just fit right in the bottom here. And all you got to do is just tap it out with your hammer. Now with the top of the hinge pin exposed a little bit better, you can just get right in there with your screwdriver and it comes out the rest of the way a lot easier. And there you have it. So we have the hinge pin out now, and all we need to do is put a small little bend in it. So that's what the hammer and the block of wood is for. All right, so we're out here on the concrete surface just so we don't scratch any flooring or break a tile. You've got your block of wood, you've got your hinge pin. So we're just gonna kind of place it up here like this. And then you're just gonna put a slight bend, so you don't wanna go crazy with it. All right, so you can see as I'm spinning it here that it's got a slight little bend to it, and that's about perfect where you want it. Any more than that, you're gonna have trouble getting that back down into the hinge. So let's give that a try. All right, so with our bent pin here, we're just gonna slide it in the top. You'll notice that it's not gonna go any further because your alignment here is off just a little bit. So if you grab the edge of the door here and just kind of slide it over, you're gonna see it drop down in. Then you just take your hammer, now it's going to be really tight just because we have that bend in it, but that's what's going to tighten that hinge up and keep your door from swinging open. Okay, let's test it out. Here's the moment of truth. Bring it right here in the middle. I mean, it's always swinging closed, and now it's solid, so I'm really happy with that. It's been driving me nuts, it's been driving my wife nuts. Now, just as a quick tip, we had another door that did the same thing, and we bent a pin and it still was swinging open on us, and so we did one more hinge and that fixed the problem. You actually have 3 hinges, and if you do 3 hinges and it's still not working, then you probably do need to pull the door apart and re-level it. All right, so that was a pretty quick and easy fix, and I know if you have the same problem, it's gonna work for you as well. And if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel for more DIY videos like this one. And that's it from Two Nerdy Families. We'll see you next time.